Today I'm going to be reviewing SOCICO's men's digital watch, waterproof outdoor large face military watch with stopwatch and backlight. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. Well, here is the watch. Here is my hand. Here's a phone too. It actually is a pretty big face. It is backlit right there, as you can see. It's got everything, all your normal stuff. You know, these are pretty inexpensive, but it has all your normal stuff, the stopwatches and stuff. If you're looking for an inexpensive watch to have, what's interesting, if you look at this right here, it's an overall pick on Amazon. It's got 4.4 stars, 191 rating, but being an overall pick, people are buying these. And last month, October 2025, 700 of these were bought. To manage your expectations, you know, it's a plastic casing on here. It's nothing terribly special, but it looks solid. It looks like, you know, I'm going to actually give this to my son as a gift so he can just have it working out or playing basketball. He's got a watch that, you know, I don't have to worry about if he, scratches it or anything. It's really good. And since people are buying these, they must be doing really well. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.